English grammar test, how we use do, does and did in sentence. Let's we go in detail. Do we use with I, and we use with you, and we use with we, and they, and we use with plural subject. And next, which does we use with he and she, we use with it, and we use with singular subject. And did we use all of the above in the past tense. All of the above, when they come in the past tense, then we use the did. Now we practice all of them one by one in the sentence. Here, the blank, you need anything. What we having here, you, and you is here, do. So we use here, do you need anything. And next one here, sentence we have, how the blank space she feel today. And we have here she is here in Dutch. So we using how does she feel today. And the next sentence here, is I not want to eat. I does not want to eat. What will be here? Here is I, and this is in the first here we do. So we're using here, I do not want to eat. And next one, she does not like pizza, and she is here, and here does. So we is here, she does not like pizza. And next one is here, Ron blank space note came yesterday. So yesterday is the past is gone, therefore we use here this one, this past gone, did. So we use here did. The Ron did not came yesterday. And next one, blank space, it sound good. So it, here is it, and we have here, it came with Dutch. So you see here, Dutch, it sound good. And last one, the blank space, this car needs service. And here is car, and car is a singular form here, and here we using Dutch. So here the last one, here we come here, Dutch, this car needs service.